In this video, I will show you how to post to the Padlet that you have selected. So when you're in the module and you see the link for this, you click on one of the links to a Padlet. I'm going to select Zebra. And automatically the Padlet comes up because I have access to everyone. And then you have to put your name here, and you go to this wheel where it says Modify. Under the description names, you would then put your name. And then if you're the second person coming in, you could put a comma and put, Nancy Nurse. Okay, so that way you can add to that. There will only be a maximum of 4 people per Padlet. Once you've typed in your name, you click Save, and then you can close that. Each one of these columns is one of the questions from the Fried and Fotler book. And if you use the very bottom, which you can't see on this video, but you can scroll over, and there's also the places to put references. So if you use a certain reference, this is where you would add. If you hover over the dot, it says Add a post to this column. And you can put something in the title or you can leave it blank, but this is where you write something. This is where the body of your post is. And you have different ways of doing that. You can upload something. You can do a hyperlink. You can add something from Google. You can add a picture. You also have many different things here. Most of the time, most students will be doing text documents, but you can also link to an article or link to something else that you want to share with your colleagues. So how you divide the work amongst these questions is really up to the group. And when you do that and you click on this one and you add something, okay, and then you hit enter and it's there, okay? So now what would happen is the next person in the group should read what you have posted and then add another post, either questioning something or I like the way you did that. It's not just an I like. You really want to say, can you tell me more about this? Or where did you find that? Because you want to be really more of a collaborative and making your responses to all the questions as best as they can be. So you shouldn't always have the question fall on one person. Another person can do some of that research as well. So this is a collaborative method, and everything you post will have your name. You can only delete your things. Don't delete anybody else's, just add to it. This is a working document. This is not a final that is worried about APA and grammar and all of that, because then what you'll be doing from the result of this is creating an individual executive summary.